Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to generate real human content using ChatGPT. Now when you generate this content, it now becomes real content that cannot be detected as an AI generated content on any machine. In my previous video I showed you how to detect AI generated content, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how to help your content generate like human being. Nobody would know that the content was generated by ChatGPT. So let's say we've generated this content. We say that write me a pre-colonial history of Nigeria, and here is the content. So I'm going to copy this content and I'll paste it on this machine and see what it gives us. So it's predicting, as you can see, it says that 99.78% of this content is fake. Okay, so you see how fake this content is. Now the same content on this part, we are going to be doing something different here. So we're going to place in bracket, we're going to say let's clear up this conversation. So we'll clear up this conversation and I'm going to paste this here, pre-colonial history of Nigeria, and then in bracket I'll say write it without AI dynamics. Okay, so it's going to generate a content for us here. Let's see if this gives us what we want. It's going to take a little time to. Okay, I'm going to reload the site so that we have a blank page to paste our contents that has been generated. So I'm going to copy this content and I'll paste it here. Oh, okay, we still have 99.97 fake responses. Okay, so I'm still going to go back to my ChatGPT and see if I can do some. Okay, so we are back here, and instead of starting a new conversation, we're going to say now write it in a tone that is not typical to AI. Write it in a tone that is not typical to AI. Let's see. So it's writing it in a tone that is not typical to AI, and this is going to happen real quick. Okay, it's still writing. As usual, we'll come here and refresh this. So copy this content and we paste it on the detector machine. Okay, so we are going to paste this document that we copied from. Wow, wonderful. So we've gotten 99.31% real. So the content generated is 99 points just by telling ChatGPT that we want it to write for us. Write it in a tone that is not typical to AI. You see? So when you choose this, you find out that it tells you certainly here's a version of it, and so it comes up, and then when you test it on AI machine, you find out that it tells you that it's 1%. So even though this text was written with an AI machine, the GPT-2 cannot detect it to be written as an AI machine, because the machine, the ChatGPT prompts you gave was to tell it to write it in a way that is not similar or typical to AI machine. So guys, that is how to fool this GPT output detector to help your text be undetected and to help you write real text or real content even while using ChatGPT. So